It's the 50th every day. It's the 50th every day. It's the 50th every day. Sexism, racism, and all the cars are cool. These happy days is mostly mine, cause I'm Flappy's bag. And the Flappy days is all mine. And the happy these Flappy days is mostly mine, cause the Flappy days.
Fonzie, you don't have to jump that shark.
Pinky, I have to remind people how cool I am. Hey!
You are in your 30s and hang out with teenagers.
He lives above my garage and rarely pays rent. Spends a lot of time with Richie in that malt shop bathroom.
He's giving the teenage boys important life lessons. In the bathroom.
Hey!
Didn't you used to be the main character in this, Richie?
Well, yes, Ralph Mouth, but at this point, the fans is basically taking over, and all I do is say, look at that cool thing Fonzie's doing.
You're going bald.
Wait a minute! If I'm Potsy, I get to leave the show first.
Why is he jumping this shark anyway?
It all boils down to Sharknado, and because Opie became a director and directed that blockbuster hit Backdraft, which always reminds me of that song, We Didn't Begin the Fire, by Mr. Billy Ocean.
You're kind of loopy, you know that?
He's doing it for the future, so there's a point of reference when a TV show has run its course.
Richie, you have the hairline of a 60-year-old man.
Oh, look at that cool thing Fonzie's doing. Keep looking at Fonzie.
I'm doing it! Uh-oh.